I just lost another GoPro. Let's start from the beginning. It's that time of year again. It's my birthday. It's a day that I use to reflect how the year's been for me. When you really zoom out and think about it, birthdays really aren't that special at all. Statistically speaking, I share my birthday with about 5.2 million people, and so do you. There's nothing inherently special about the day that you were born on, so why make a big deal out of it? Besides, I'd rather clean. The way I see it, I'm expected to celebrate 78.69 birthdays over the course of my life. So why does one make a difference? Let me stop being so depressing. We actually have plans today. I'm gonna mix that powder with this water to make the fluffiest pancakes you've ever seen. I take back what I said about birthdays earlier. They're really about living our limitless lives and doing the things that we value. Alicia knows that I value having different experiences and exploring the world around me, so that's what we're going to end up doing today. After a quick breakfast, we loaded up into the car and drove down a long dirt road. We're going ziplining today.
If you hear my voice fade, probably don't go. Adios! Woo!
Alright, go show me that riding position. Braking position. Alright, you see those white flags out there?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, you are ready to go?
Alright, see you on the other side.
Land like you mean it. There you go. Great job. That is the emergency bag. If anybody has a stroke, passes out, decides their gear doesn't work as well as we'd like it to. This bag has all the answers to any of our problems.
Go show me that riding position. Braking position. Alright, see those white flags? Excellent, I did a good job.
This is the second GoPro I've lost, and unlike the one that's somewhere in the Gulf of Mexico, I know exactly where this one is. But we're not gonna let a little lost camera ruin our day. That doesn't mean I'm not gonna go get it.
Here it is. Alright, still recording.
Now that we have the GoPro secured, we can head out. At this point in the day, I realized that I've forgotten something that's kind of important. There's the sand everywhere. Oh, I can't wait for these.
I think you'll like that book.
This is cool. It says on the back, you don't have to stay in a job you hate. Oh, thank you. Did you think today was over? I've still got plenty of exploring and learning to do. So I know almost next to nothing about karting, and I'm still trying to figure out how to find the fastest line around this track. I was having the hardest time trying to figure out how to make it around this turn without bouncing and sliding. I wasn't good at navigating this one either. couple laps, I started to figure things out. And before I could use everything that I had learned to nail down my fastest lap, the race ended. Oh well, I'll do better next time. In conclusion, birthdays and every day is for living with intention and spending time and money on the things you love with the people you love.